Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create a simple, budget-friendly and affordable photo booth frame that you can use for birthdays or any other occasions. To begin with, we will need the following materials: glue, scissors, cutter, ruler or scale, the cardboard box, colored paper, and paintbrush. But paint and paintbrush are optional, as you can use colored paper to cover the cardboard. Okay, let's proceed. First, you have to determine the size of the frame that you want to create. Measure 2.5 inches on top and 2.5 inches on both sides, and keep the bottom at 4 inches thick. Then you can start cutting the cardboard as it measured. Once you are done, you can start painting the cardboard as its base color. But again, painting is optional, as you can cover it using the colored paper. After painting, let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, before I proceed, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I will upload new video. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and leave your comment below in the comment section about the video. Thank you. Okay, since the cardboard bag is still wet, you can now proceed preparing the decorations for the frame. For this project, the letters I just printed it out from the word and trace it on the colored paper. Then start cutting it using the scissors. This is a lot easier for me since I'm not that good in writing. Once you're done cutting out the letters and your frame is already dry, you can now proceed decorating your frame. The frame decorations will depend on you and on what kind of occasions. This DIY project that I'm showing you is merely affordable. This is a budget-friendly, and most of the materials I use are recycled materials. Okay guys, please stay tuned until the end of the video. Happy watching! Okay guys, before this video will end, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to my avid watchers, likers, and subscribers, most especially to Bernia's channel. Thank you so much, Mom Bernice, for the support. Okay guys, you can also visit her channel. It's all about everyday life. Next is Miss Anche Pasaway. If you want to know the latest Kikai moves or Kikai style, you can visit her channel, Anche Pasaway. And last but not the least, George DG Life Blog. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And for those who's not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I'll post new video. Thanks, Simple Craft. And if you have any suggestions for my next DIY videos, please don't forget to leave your comment below. And please write hashtag TSC so you will be recognized on my next video. Okay guys, that's it. Our DIY photobooth frame. You can use it for birthdays and other occasions. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog.